Hey everyone, welcome to the Style That Binds Us YouTube channel. Delia Folk here.
Alison Brune.
Mother-daughter team. And we are headed to the Crosby Street Hotel for a very special tea time. The tea was curated by Lewis Miller, who is an incredible florist. We are beyond obsessed with his floral designs. I've even taken a floral arranging class with him. I've seen him at some events, and every time I see him, I totally fangirl, and he's probably like, who is this girl that keeps jumping and screaming? Maybe what have been some of your favorite tea times we've had before?
I love the tea in London.
Yeah,
that was really fun. And obviously that sketch one was fun.
Since the Style That Binds Us is all about providing information, we thought this would be the perfect time to tell you what is the history of afternoon tea, since we are, in fact, on our way to afternoon tea. We have not had this in a while. I have had tea at the Peninsula recently. BB unfortunately was not there, but we have not had tea together in a very long time, I guess since September, so we are long overdue. Okay, so afternoon tea was introduced in England by Anna, the 7th Duchess of Bedford, in the year 1840. The Duchess would become hungry around 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Sounds familiar?
Yes, it does.
The evening meal in her household was served fashionably late at 8 o'clock, thus leaving a long period of time between lunch and dinner, so might as well have an afternoon tea every single day. Growing up, we had dinner at 7 p.m. every night on the dot, and now I have to eat at 6 p.m. most of the time because I get so hungry since I didn't have my afternoon tea every day. So 1840, Anna, 7th Duchess of Bedford. Thank you, Anna, for creating such a special, I know you were long gone, but maybe you're hearing about this.
We will toast to you today.
We have arrived at the Crosby Street Hotel, BB. Let's go in. Come on. She's wearing her Recreo outfit. We keep wearing the same brands.
That is crazy.
Wow. And then these are the scones in here. And all the different yummy things.
Oh my gosh. I haven't had tea in a long time. Summertime outside, so really delicious. Okay, let's start at the bottom. Okay, so I'm gonna do the marmalade first and the clotted cream. I know you don't remember this. Well, maybe you remember a little bit because you were young, but we went to Windsor Castle and we spent the day at Windsor. And we went to the cutest little tea shop afterwards to have tea, and I remember the scones were just really extra delicious. Clotted cream, dear. All right. Really good.
Maybe you're gonna say it is
refreshing. Yay! Great, I can't wait to try. Thumbs up. Great.
So I just had a thought, an observation, if you will. So in the past with Lewis Miller Designs, we've been able to see, you see the flowers, touch and feel. You could feel them if you want, but they may break apart in your hand. And smell. Of course, you can smell the flowers, but now with this tea, we also get to taste, and that almost completes the experience. That he's made is a collection of pastries inspired by his favorite blooms, which are hydrangea, I think this one, dainty best rose, so, oh, that's that one, and then lavender, which is what we're eating right now. What's next, BB?
I've been very excited about this one just because it's so beautiful. It's a little different than a normal meringue because in the middle of it is the cream.
Oh, wow.
So that's what top love is.
You just ruined the surprise.
Who was I supposed to keep a surprise from? You? I'm sorry.
No, not me. If these people come and if they want to try out the tea.
Well, they might say, well, they didn't tell us there was this stuff in the middle. We're just full transparency here. It's fabulous. Yum. I wish you could have a bite. You can if you come to the Crosby Street Hotel this summer, but you have to come before
September.
the summer.
Citrus, shortbread, and white wine gelée.
Wow.
This is like...
Oh my gosh. Can she do it? Can she do it? I don't think so. Don't choke. You didn't get the gelée. Oh, you did? Thank you for joining us today on The Style That Binds Us, and we hope you enjoyed our day at the Crosby Street Hotel. We had tea, and it was absolutely delightful. Highly recommend it. Make sure you make a reservation, though, if you're coming this summer, because it's Lewis Miller, floral designer, has collaborated with the Crosby Street Hotel to make this extra special, exquisite tea, floral-inspired tea. So definitely recommend. What do you have to say, Bibi?
Make sure to like and comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel and head to our website, and you can subscribe to our newsletter so you can stay up to date on the latest and the greatest from The Style That Binds Us, because it is chock full of information that you're not going to want to miss.
Bye.
Ciao.